Publishing wide seems simple until you're uploading the same book to 5 stores, fixing different issues, and losing hours you could spend on your next project. That's why after I upload to KDP, my next step is Draft2Digital. I upload, check, and get the book ready for readers, which helps me avoid extra stress during release week. After KDP, I upload the book to Draft2Digital as a pre-order. I use Draft2Digital because it lets me reach multiple stores from a single dashboard. In the past, I uploaded to Kobo, Barnes & Noble, and Apple Books separately. There are still reasons an author might want to do that. Direct upload can give you more control in some cases. But for this workflow, I decided to send those books through Draft2Digital. One reason is that Apple has been glitchy for me ever since I moved. It may be because it's connected to my VPN, or there may be another issue, but it became one more point of friction in the process. And at some point, you have to ask yourself, what makes the most sense for your actual publishing workflow? Could I keep fighting with a glitchy upload process? Not always. But should I, when Draft2Digital can handle distribution to Apple and other stores for me? The goal is not to make every process as complicated as possible. The goal is to get the book uploaded correctly, reduce stress, and keep your release system moving. If you want to publish widely, but don't want to upload everything to a single platform each time, Draft2Digital is worth considering. Log into your account. Check the link below if you don't have one. Add new book. This will be an ebook. If you have your cover ready, this is where you upload it. Add the metadata, title, series, publisher, if you have one, author name, book number, keywords, bisax. Upload my final file, the release date, the description. You can have Draft2Digital give you an ISBN, but I prefer to use my own. Save. Since I uploaded an EPUB, I'm bypassing Draft2Digital's formatting. If you don't want to format yourself, Draft2Digital can do it for you. Save. Draft2Digital know my stores, so they're checked. Regular price is $5.99. Library price $15.99. Click on Rights Confirmation and Publish. Here I set up my pre-order and launch week prices. Draft2Digital is worth considering. An aggregator can make the process easier, but it doesn't remove your responsibility to check your book. Publishing wide doesn't have to mean doing everything the hard way. You can upload directly to each store, which suits some authors. Or you can use an aggregator like Draft2Digital to make your workflow easier and reach more readers. The key is to pick the workflow that helps you stay consistent. Don't rush through the details, even if uploading with an aggregator is easier. A smoother process doesn't mean you can be careless. It means you're building a release system you can use again and again for each book. If you want more step-by-step help with publishing tools, upload systems, and book setup, then check out this playlist next. That playlist will help you build a smoother self-publishing workflow so you can spend less time struggling and more time getting your books ready for readers. Watch that playlist next, and I'll see you there.